Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Again we are back with our new video of English writing. Today we will learn the basic lines and stroke of English small letters. Before learning English small letters, we will start learning the small lines and strokes. How to start at the basic lines, how to learn the basic lines to learn writing the small letters. So today we will learn the lines and stroke of small letters, English small letters, okay? The first line of the lines and strokes of small letter is, we will start with the first line of English writing is with the standing line. And the standing line, we will not write from the red line. As we are learning small letters, we will start from this blue line. This from the blue line, top blue line to the lower blue line, we will make a standing up line. Okay, this is standing up line. Okay, we will write from this blue line. We will start from the blue line, first blue line, and go to the second blue line. This is standing up line. This is standing up line. We will start from the top blue line and drag it downwards to the bottom blue line. This is standing up line. And remember, we are not writing from the red line. We will start this line from the blue line. This is standing up line. Okay. Then the second line is sleeping line. We will write it here, a small sleeping line. Okay, we will write it here, a small sleeping line. We will write on the top blue line. Remember, we will use the blue line, as now we are learning the small letters. We will start from the blue line. Sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. We will keep it on the top blue line and drag it rightward. Okay. Then the next line is rightward slanting line. We will start from the blue line and drag it leftward. This is rightward slanting line. This is rightward slanting line. We will start from the blue line, top blue line, and drag it leftward. This is right slanting line. This is right slanting line. And the next line is left slanting line. We will drag it from the top blue line and drag it rightward. Okay, this is left slanting line. This is left slanting lines. We will start from the top blue line and drag it downward. This is left slanting line. Remember, we have to only use the blue lines, not the red lines. This is left slanting line. Okay. So the next line is right curve line. You can see how I am writing this right curve line. You have to make a curve line. You have to start from the blue line and drag it and make a curve line. Okay. This is right curve line. You have to start from the blue line and then make a curve line like this. Can you see how I am making? You have to make it this way. Okay, children? You will start from the blue line and then make a curve line touching the bottom blue line. Okay, you will start from the blue line, top blue line, and then make a curve line touching the bottom blue line. Okay. Then the next line is the left curve line. See how I am making the left curve line? You have to you have to start from the top line and make a curve towards the right side, moving towards the left side then again. Okay, this is the leftward curve line. You will start from the left side and move towards the right side. This is left curve line. You will start from the top blue line and then drag your line moving towards the right side, then again towards the left side. This is leftward curve line. See how I'm making? You have to make in this way. Okay, then the next line is downward curve line. See how I'm making downward curve line? You have to start from the bottom blue line, move upward, and then again we have to make a round and then move towards the downward, towards the bottom blue line. Okay, we will start from the bottom, move upward, make a turn, and then move downward back to the bottom line. We will start from the bottom, move upward, touch the blue line, make a curve, and then move towards the downward blue line. Okay, bottom blue line. Okay, you can see how I'm making. This is downward curve. What is this? This is downward curve. We will start from the bottom blue line, move upward, touch the top blue line, and then turn towards the bottom. Okay, this is downward curve line. Can you see how I'm making this downward curve line? Then the next stroke is upward curve line. What is this? Upward curve line. We will start from the top blue line, move downwards, turn a bit, and then we will go again back to the upward line, touch the upward line. You have to write this within the blue lines only. You have to start from the red, you have to start from the blue line, drag it downwards, turn a bit, and then you have to again go back and touch the top line, blue line. Okay, can you see how I'm writing? You have to start from the top blue line, drag it downwards, then make a turn, and then again touch the upward blue line. Okay, you have to start from here, from the top blue line, drag it downwards, then again move towards the upward blue line. And the last stroke. So we have reached to the last stroke. We will learn making a circle within this blue line. You can see me, I am making a circle within this blue line. Can you see me? You have to make a circle within this blue line only. You will not touch the red line. You will start from the blue line, then make a circle round. Okay, within this blue line, we will start from the top blue line, touch the bottom blue line, then again we will touch the top blue line. This is a circle. You have to make a circle within the blue line. Okay, children? So I hope you all have understood. So again we will revise what all we have written. First is the standing up line. Second is the sleeping lines. Third is the right slanting line. And the fourth is left slanting line. The fifth is right curve line. Then sixth is left curve line. Then seventh, downward curve. And the eighth is upward curve. And the ninth is circle. We will learn these lines, write these lines before learning the small letters. And remember, you have to only use these blue lines. You will not use the red lines, okay? Because we are learning the small English alphabets, we will write within this blue lines. Okay, you can see how I have written. You have to write this in your copy.